Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove border from third page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document and take some pages with some text and page borders. Now we want to remove the page border only from the third page. Double click on the third page and we can see here the page border. Now we want to delete this, select the layer option and we can see here the master page. Then drag this master page on delete option. Then click outside of the page and we can see we remove the page border only from the third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.